Okay, YouTube. So many of y'all heard about a Dermaroller, might have seen it before, or some people call it a microneedle. Here it is, and it's used for many different reasons, for like beard growth, for acne repair, to just get healthier skin in general. But I'm gonna be telling you how to use this tool right here to grow a beard within 30 days, and how to add it to your routine, and how to fit it into your program to make it make sense for you. So make sure y'all stay tuned for the video. I'm gonna be going over everything you need to know about a dumb roller. First thing first, some people got the conception wrong of how to use a dumb roller. Now I seen comments in my last video, people was telling me like they was dumb rolling every day. And I was like, this is something that you don't want to do every day, because it will cause like breakout. Because you got to think about what you're doing when you're using this. So what you're doing when you're using a dumb roller, as y'all can see, it's like 100 mini needles on there. That's why some people call it micro needling. But what you're doing, you actually open up your pores that's on your face. You open them up, so you can activate them, so your hair can start growing in those places. Some people use it for acne, because acne is just dead skin that's stuck on your face, so they'll microneedle it to get it to open up so they can clear it out. But for our case, we're gonna be using this on our weak spots in our beard. That's what this is for. So for me, for example, perfect example, hopefully y'all can see, like my weak spot is like the corner of connecting my mustache to my beard. So what I always do is I use my dumb roller right here. Now when I first started and I had patches, more patches, or any type of patches I would dumb roll that area the most. You know what I'm saying? But for right now, that's what I'm mainly doing right there, to open up them follicles, to get the hair activated and going. So that's how you want to use a dumb roller. You want to target your weak spots. Any weak spots you got on your beard, target it with a dumb roller. And listen, this is a key tip right here. Only dumb roll once a week, and that let that day be on wash day. So whatever day you wash your beard, or if you wash your beard 2 times a week, do it 2 times a week. If you wash your beard 3 times a week, maybe do it 3 times a week, but I wouldn't do more than 3 times, because you don't want to overdo it, because you clearly are opening your pores on your face, and it is microneedling, and you don't want to cause scabbing, or you don't want to cause any scabbing on your face or any breaking out. So do it once. Some people do it 2 times a week. Some people do it 3 times a week. Just don't overdo it. Don't go past 3 times a week. But definitely add it into your routine, because it's not only gonna help your beard reach the next level, it's gonna help your skin clear up too. So people that got beards, you probably understand this. You might get some hair bumps. You might get hair bumps a lot. Using this help eliminate the hair bumps as well. So if you deal with a lot of hair bumps, people say some people say I don't like to grow a beard because it's too itchy. And I definitely feel that, because I don't been there before. But what you want to do is you want to definitely moisturize it, but also you want to add this to wherever it's itchy at, because it's gonna help free up the acne underneath your beard that you can't see because you got a beard. But trust me though, y'all. A lot of y'all wonder, is this really worth it? I say it's worth it, man. Especially if you can grow a beard, you just got some patches and you want to fill in your patches. That's the best. This is the best thing for it. It's not that hard to find. Unfortunately, stores don't sell them, but you can go online, go to the website, the bearded ones, or by the fact, you can go to my channel right here. I got the products listed below. You can click dumb roller, buy it there. I'm pretty sure you can order it on Amazon. But yeah, definitely a good product to add into your beard routine. I think everybody should have it though, especially if you're trying to grow. It's not that expensive. Just have it. Once you got one, you good. If y'all want me to, I'll make a video showing y'all exactly how I use mine and stuff like that. But what you want to do before you use it, you want to set some alcohol aside, put it in alcohol, let it sit in there to just clean. And then once you do that, you want to rinse it with water, wash the alcohol off. And then you want to just start dumb rolling your beard. And just a quick thing, you want to go some this way, you want to go some that way, you want to go some diagonal, you want to go some diagonal. That's how you want to do it, wherever your patch is at. And yeah, it works measures, man. So hopefully y'all learn something from this video, man. Hopefully y'all get y'all dumb roller. And if I miss over anything, man, just ask me in the comment section. I either throw it in the next video, or I answer you right in the comment section. Follow me on social media, at the Bearded Ones on all pages, on all social media. The Bearded Ones on Instagram, Bearded Ones on TikTok, the Bearded Ones on YouTube, the Bearded Ones everywhere. Follow us there, and we're gonna be posting different type of helpful videos on different products that take your beard to the next level. So subscribe to the channel, man. And also join our Facebook. It's like a big family. It's like a big group. I plan on starting a Discord in the future too. It's like we're gonna start a big community. Facebook, we already got like 160 members, but we're gonna start a big community of people that can share where they at in their beard journey, share like what they might be struggling with, what they need help with, product recommendations, things like that, lifestyle, a lot of more stuff, not even just beard related. So make sure y'all follow that. It's always the Bearded Ones, so go follow it, subscribe to the channel. But enough talking, I'm out, man. Peace.